Hey everyone, Ushma here. In this video, we'll explore how to calculate internal rate of return using Excel's IRR and XIRR functions. Internal rate of return is a crucial financial metric used to evaluate the profitability of investment over time. We'll walk through common examples to demonstrate how to use both functions step by step. Whether you are a financial professional or a student learning Excel, mastering these functions is essential. Join us as we delve into the world of financial analysis and learn how to effectively calculate internal rate of return in Excel. Let's dive into the fascinating world of finance and Excel. Specifically, we will be exploring how to calculate internal rate of return using Excel's IRR and XIRR functions. And if you're really interested in learning Microsoft Office, then we have a workshop for you. ₹9 link is in description.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint or Word in your day-to-day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
Now, let's start with a simple example. Imagine you are considering investing in a project that requires an initial investment of $10,000. Okay? Over the next 5 years, you expect to receive the following cash flows like $2,000 in a year 1 and $3,000 in a year 2, $3,500 in third year, $4,000 in fourth year and $5,000 in fifth year. Now, let's calculate the internal rate of return using the IRR functions in Excel. Simply apply IRR formula and it will ask for values. Select all the cash flows values including the initial investment and Excel will calculate the internal rate of return for you. As shown in the screen, in this case, the IRR is approximately 18.9%. Now, let's take it a step further and explore the XIRR functions. XIRR is particularly useful when dealing with irregular payment periods. Before looking for example, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join us 2 hours Microsoft Office workshop in which we will teach you about the best way to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Now, let's get back to our tutorial. Let's get example. Suppose you are investing in a project where the cash flows occurs on a specific date rather than annually. In this scenario, we have the same cash flows as before, but they occur on specific dates. Using the XIRR function, we can input both the cash flows values and their corresponding dates. Excel will then calculate the internal rate of return taking into account the specific timing of cash flows. In this case, we are getting return of 17.4% using XIRR. We are getting return less by using XIRR than IRR because XIRR used specific dates for cash flows for calculation, whereas IRR formula did not account dates of cash flows and considered all cash flows occurring on same date in a different year. And there you have it. By using Excel's IRR and XIRR functions, you can easily calculate the internal rate of return for your investments, whether you are analyzing the profitability of a project, evaluating investment opportunities, or simply sharpening your Excel skills. Mastering these functions is essential for any finance professionals or enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more finance and Excel tutorials. This was Ushma. See you next time.